5 words that grabbed me last year already. It arrested me, and it's still arresting me when I utter these words. It's 5 powerful words. And the 5 words come from Psalm 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd. Nothing more, just the Lord is my shepherd. When you read the Lord is my shepherd, what does it mean to you personally? I mean, I can pronounce it, the Lord is my shepherd, the Lord is my shepherd, or the Lord is my shepherd. There's so much in this thing. I want to read from John 10, verse 1 to 5. Truly, truly, I say to you, he who does not enter the sheepfold by the door, but climbs in by another way, that man is a thief and a robber. But he who enters by the door is the shepherd of the sheep. To him the gatekeeper opens. And listen to this now. If you say, the Lord is my shepherd, I say, the sheep hear his voice. We as sheep have the ability to hear the shepherd's voice. And he calls his own sheep by name. His own sheep. He knows us by name. That's a personal relationship he has with us. And he leads them out. The shepherd leads the sheep. They follow him. When he has brought out all his own, he goes before them. He leads. He goes before them. And again, and the sheep follow him, for they know his voice. They heard his voice, and they know his voice. And a stranger they will not follow. A stranger they will not follow, but they will flee from him, for they do not know the voice of strangers. Man, that's powerful. They know the voice. They know the voice of the shepherd, and they recognize the voice of a stranger. And the word says they will not follow a stranger. So if we say, the Lord is my shepherd, do you recognize his voice? Do you follow him?